Hey, how's it going? I'm back on YouTube. It's been a while since I last uploaded a YouTube video to my channel. And I've been busy with work and school. I guess I just been lazy, to be honest. But I'm back. In this video, I have a little project that I want to do. I want to work on my bike. Little backstory on this bike. I got it maybe a month, 2 months ago, and it was a mess. It was definitely ugly. The bike had a flat tire. The handlebars were from a mountain bike. The bottom bracket was all rusty and stuff. So I took it to my local bike shop, Area Cycles in Castro Valley, and they took care of me. They brought it back to life. I wanna do a little more to the bike. About 2 weeks ago, I hurt my back. I have a history of back problems, I'm not really sure what happened, but I heard it, and it's pretty painful. I talked to my doctors, and I'm not gonna be able to ride my bike or do any kind of exercise. So I decided to take that time, and I think it's a perfect opportunity to take apart the bike and give it a little overhaul. So my plans for the bike are to well, actually, let's go back a little. Little history on the bike. This is a 2007 Cannondale CAPO. It's a track bike. It is fixed gear. I'm running 18 cog on the back and a 56 chainring, which is not super fast or anything, but it does the job for me. I usually take this bike on rides with friends. It's also my commuter. When I go to work, I have a bag that I put my laptop and everything in there, and I really like this bike. It's in my opinion, it's beautiful. But it does need some love. My plans for the bike is to take the whole thing apart, take out the fork, take out the bottom bracket, the seat post, everything, and then strip the paint all the way, and fix all the little dents and scratches that the frame has. I'm not entirely sure of what I'm gonna do as far as the paint. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna paint it or keep it raw aluminum, like how it is right now. But I mean, if you guys have any comments, any suggestions, just put them down below. I'm not gonna do the whole build in one video, so this is gonna be like a little series. This first video is just to let you guys know that I'm back, and tell you a little bit about my project. So yeah, I think that's it right now. Have a good one, guys. Bye.